Hello! Yes, you got it right. Short vowel O today. Welcome to the channel, and we're going to do short vowel O sound, which is O, and its family. Let's begin with today's lesson with OG family. O, O, and ending with G, that is alphabet G. So OG family. The first word that we have is a dog. When you say dog, the first sound that you hear is of D. So alphabet D. O is short vowel O and ending with G. Dog. The next one is fog. F sound produced by alphabet F. O sound produced by short vowel O and ending with G, which is alphabet G. Fog is a misty thing that you see in the winter mornings. The next one is hog. H sound produced by alphabet H. O sound produced by short vowel O and ending with G. Hog. Hog is to take away something. Say mostly used for taking away the limelight from somebody. So hog, dog, fog, hog. Then we have a log. L sound produced by alphabet L. O sound produced by short vowel O and ending with G. Log is a small piece of wood. Now fog reminds me of a rhyming word. Can you guess what it is? Fog, frog. So let's do frog. Now let's break the sounds of frog. F sound produced by alphabet F. Now when I say frog, then you hear a R sound. So I put R, fr, O, alphabet O and a G ending with G. So frog. Jog. J sound produced by alphabet J. O sound produced by short vowel O ending with G. G. Jog. And we are done mostly with these OG words. If you can come across more, you're most welcome to practice them. Let's begin with our sight words. The first sight word today that we have is his. When you read this, H sound is H, E, short vowel I, and it should be S, so his, but no, it is his. So, sight word. Next one is her. H sound produced by alphabet H and then ER, her. This belongs to her. So her, his, and her. I hope you remember this. When I'm writing E in the end, it becomes here. We have covered this in one of our lessons as one of the sight words. So this is her, but the moment you put E in the end, it becomes here. So his, her, and here. The is our sight word. For fr, og, frog. The frog at sat. on. His, our sight word for today. Log, log. It's a statement, so it will always begin with a capital, ending with a period. The frog sat on his log. I, for an, when, ending with a t, so becomes went. I went. For or for a jog. I went for a jog. This brings end to today's lesson. Hope you liked it and you are able to understand the short vowel O sound, which is A sound. We'll cover more families, more sight words, and more sentences. See you soon.